Hello guys, I'm the Brick Lane tour guide for Unseen Tours and my name is Pete. Come and join our quiz, we're going to have loads of fun and you'll be able to test your knowledge of London. So this is my favourite stick piece. It was painted in 2008. What are they doing in the middle?
Holding hands.
Yes, literally and metaphorically, when you hold somebody's hands, what are you doing? You're joining together. You're coming together. That I would say is that's the most important symbol in this painting. Another thing Brick Lane is famous for is street art. Paste ups, which is something like this, these things here, because you actually paste them up, it does what it says on the tin. And slaps, which are these kind of little stickers that you see all over the place. They call them slaps, because you just slap it, rub it and go. Piece was painted in 2008 by Jimmy C, as I said, and it's a representation from an old photograph of Joe Senior cuddling Joe Junior when she was young, when she'd been crying. Let's have a closer look, shall we? So here's the tears that I've pointed out. Look, you see the little dots here? The wall is falling apart, but he has been back to repaint it quite a few times. Even here, when a massive piece fell off, he came back to repaint it. That's how important this piece is. Come have fun in our Christmas quiz for all the team.